Okay, hi, good afternoon
video
po.
interview.
Oh, video interview po. So, kayo po ang ano sa Comics Comics Hub. So, ano po mga items na binebenta nyo rito?
We're the first and largest online site for comics, games, collectibles.
Collectibles. So that includes all comics or only DC Comics?
We have DC Comics, we have Marvel. We have a lot of publishers, including the independents.
Okay.
So Image, Boom Studios, Archie. Tapos we also have local independent comics.
Ito yung mga local mga indie, okay.
Comics with a K.
So hindi yung mga comics na nadatnan ko na yung mga wakasan, mga...
May bago na sila, may bago na silang form ngayon.
Okay. It's been a long time that I've read the comics. I remember the days na umaarkila pa kami doon sa upo kami sa kanto, then we have to hire the comics, di ba? Okay.
Ngayon yung mga Filipino comics natin, we have really good talent. And these people write their own books, they self-publish their own books. Some of them are very much renowned, tulad sila Carlo Vergara ng Charles Saturna, si Budgetan ng 13. So these people are keeping the local comics industry alive.
Okay. So available pa rin siya usually now online or on the department stores?
Yung comics that we sell, being a retailer, we only have one warehouse, which is in Pasig.
Okay.
But the good thing about us kasi is people can order online.
Okay.
Just go to our website, they place their orders every week, because every week we charge shipment.
Okay.
And then it's free shipping to anywhere in the Philippines with a minimum of 500.
Minimum 500 pesos. So ano yung site nyo?
It's comicshub.com, comicshub.com.
Okay.
Comics with an X.
With an X. Okay. So dito sa Toycon, ano-ano mga binebenta nyo rito na maraming mga items?
Basically, we have your line of comics, so graphic novels, we even have posters, tapos merchandise, shirts, even some of the toys.
Okay. Okay. That's good. So would you like to invite the people to come here?
Please log on, go to your browser, type in www.comicshub.com, and then weekly releases are updated every Wednesday, just in time for your weekly dose of comics.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you din. Ano po yung vlog site?